Why automation is super important for your business, but you got to remember to keep the human element involved and engaged. One of the key initiatives that we've done in our marketing is when we get a form fill on our website. There's a series of automations that go out to our potential leads of videos that they can watch to get to know the customer, or sorry, get to know Matic a bit more, content that they can expect to talk about and experience, just because we want to make sure that we're a good fit for them and vice versa. And so being able to implement that before the meeting is key and really makes that next meeting super successful. Building automations take time and it takes a lot of strategy and thought. But once you've had that workflow built out, whether it's email automation, AI automation, meetings, whatever it is, it allows you to really drill down on exactly what you want to tell the lead or the potential client. And then it gives them the information that they need so that they can be really dialed in and organized ahead of that meeting. So it can be with current clients, it can be with potential clients, but those types of things and those steps are only going to set you up for success. There's a lot that I feel brands and organizations should not automate. There's so much that you can get done with automation, especially with AI coming. There's just so many great things, but then that personal outreach, that personal connection is something that is hard to automate and hard to replicate. So when there's an opportunity to stay connected with an old lead or a new lead, take that opportunity to drive that personal connection, because that's irreplaceable and it'll get felt on their side as well. If you're feeling that you're not ready for automation or you're not ready for AI workflows, no one's ever fully ready. So one of the things that we recommend is just jumping in and diving in and figuring it out, because it's the exercise of automation that's going to really streamline your messaging, your process, and really challenge what you're doing today. And so usually when someone tells us they're not ready, is that they're scared to put in the work to figure out exactly what needs to be done, because everybody's ready. It's just you need to go through the process and force yourself to make the decisions so that automation and workflows can happen. I keep going back to new client acquisition that we've been working on, and if someone fills out a form on your website, and whether it's for a book meeting or more information, if they automatically start getting information about what they are looking for, whether it's a video or a download or just more details, that's going to give them the more information. You're going to be organized, you're going to be ready to go, and that's just going to get them more set up for the meeting, versus or for to be able to take the next step. So these automations are really important to get yourself organized, to get organized with the client, and then that allows them to take action and work with you. The balance between automation and feeling that human connection is a delicate one, and something that we internally are always fighting. And one of the things that we've done, like, we have automation where an email goes out every single week, but a human touches that, and there's collaboration, there's connection, there's an umbrella strategy that happens each week, and then it trickles down to the email. So there's so much that can be done with automation and strategy, but you got to make sure, where appropriate, where you can, create that human connection, because everybody's going to feel it on both sides of the business. So a few tech stack solutions that we are using. We have HubSpot is our main CRM, so we leverage a lot of tools inside of HubSpot. We're building AI workflows and agents on N8N, that software. We utilize things like Zapier and Make to build out some automations between websites and other tech stacks and CRMs. There's a handful of things that can be done. There's another one called NiceJob or BirdEye, which is an automatic review generator for people that are looking to increase their reviews. So there's, and I was just working with a client and we were looking at the AI overview in Google, and it seems that a lot of that is driven by Google business reviews and so forth. So that's what came to mind about really making sure that reviews is top of mind for clients, even B2B clients, because people want to know what people have to say about you. So that's really important. Book a call and figure out how we can help you build out your automation tools and a brand new website that's going to change your life forever.